Meaning of fire hydrant.
Fire hydrant.
Fire hydrant.
Fire hydrant.
Fire hydrant. A fire hydrant is a device used by firefighters to access a source of water in the event of a fire. It typically consists of an underground water supply pipe connected to a valve on the surface, which can be opened to release water. Firefighters attach hoses to the hydrant and use the water to put out fires. Fire hydrants are often found along streets and in public areas, and are identifiable by their bright red color and distinctive shape. They play a crucial role in fire safety and prevention.